everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Barreh Kebab. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on one piece of lamb backstrap, as you can see. And this is equivalent to about 300 grams. Now the first thing we need to do is clean up all this sinew off it. We don't want any of that. If there's any pieces of fat, you can leave that. Fat's good, remember. Okay. So guys, next what we're going to do is we're going to slice this. So we're going to go into pieces like that, lengthways. So almost like rectangles. Okay guys, so to this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red sumac, 1 teaspoon of saffron water, 1 tablespoon of Greek style yogurt, so don't use sweetened, and we'll add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're just going to give this a quick mix, get that all well combined. And just look at that beautiful colour of that saffron. So guys, we'll just cover this with some cling wrap, and we're going to place this straight into the fridge for about 4 hours. You can leave it overnight for best results. Alright guys, so it's time to skewer these. So in my case, I'm going to put these on my long metal skewers like so, and I'm going to grill these. Now you can put these on bamboo skewers if you want, you can put them on small metal skewers if you want, you can grill them, you can fry them, or you can put them in the oven, that's up to you. So what we're going to do is thread these onto our skewers. Now I'm going to go this ways, so it stays on our skewer like that. Just like so. Just like that. So guys, once you're done doing that, you want to try and leave a bit of a gap between each piece. This will ensure even cooking. Just like so, so just spread it out. Now once we do grill these will start to rise up and it'll all be nice and even, so don't panic about that. Okay, so let's move on to our grill. Alright guys, so just on a medium to high heat, we'll just place this straight onto our grill. After about 30 seconds we'll go ahead and flip our skewers to seal our meat and keep all that flavour inside. After about another 30 seconds we'll flip our skewers again, and basically all we're doing is flipping them every 30 seconds until it's cooked all the way through. This will take roughly around 3 to 5 minutes depending on how you like your meat. I'm going to go for about medium. If you want to go well done, obviously go longer. Alright guys, so we're at the 5-minute mark now, and this is the biggest piece of meat on it, and as you can tell it's nice and firm. So that indicates it's about a medium. I don't want to go more than that. So let's go ahead and serve. Okay, so push from the top to release our meat and push it all the way off. And once again. And of course we can't have Persian kebab without a grilled tomato on the side. Alright guys, and that's all there is to it. Now in my case I have served this up with some saffron rice, but you don't have to do that. You can serve it up with a salad on the side. You can slice this up and make a salad with it. Slice it up, put it into a piece of bread and make a wrap with it. You got some endless possibilities there. As always guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Now let's give this a try. Just melts in your mouth. I'll see you all next time.